Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, a city where the air is thick with the aroma of spices. Join us for part 1 of our ultimate street food tour. We're starting in the heart of Bukit Bintang at the legendary Jalan Alor. It's a sensory explosion of colors and flavors that defines the city's night. First, the unmistakable scent of charcoal grilled satay. These skewers are a local favorite, served with a rich, spicy peanut sauce that keeps you coming back. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Next is nasi lemak, the beloved national dish. The secret is in the sambal, a complex chili paste that brings a spicy, sweet kick to the creamy rice. The smell of ikan bakar draws us in. Fresh fish marinated in a blend of local spices and grilled to perfection inside a fragrant banana leaf. The oyster omelet is a masterful mix of plump oysters and eggs. It's crispy on the edges and gooey in the center, a true texture marvel. We also encounter the delicate art of dim sum. From classic siu mai to translucent har gow, every dumpling is a little treasure waiting to be discovered. Time for a palate cleanser with some local fruits. The variety here is staggering, and everything is served at its absolute peak ripeness. Then, there's the king of fruits, the durian. It's famous for its powerful aroma and creamy, custard-like texture that locals absolutely adore. To wash it down, we need a teh tarik. This pulled tea is performed with precision and flair to create the perfect, silky froth. Back to the savory side with char kway teow. The breath of the wok is essential for that signature smoky flavor that defines the best stalls. Next door, a mamak stall is busy preparing roti canai. Watching the dough being stretched and flipped is a performance that never gets old. Don't miss the apam balik. This crispy Malaysian pancake is stuffed with peanuts and corn, creating a sweet and crunchy street snack. For dessert, we have sendol. The cold shaved ice and creamy coconut milk are the ultimate antidote to the tropical evening heat. And of course, the legendary Ramly burger. It's a messy, saucy masterpiece that is the quintessential late-night Malaysian comfort food. Our final stop is for claypot chicken rice. The crispy rice at the bottom is the best part, salty, crunchy, and packed with concentrated flavor. Kuala Lumpur's street food is a reflection of its vibrant people. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.